What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed an Instagram video or reel into your WordPress website without plugins into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. The very first thing to do is go to Instagram on your mobile app, on your computer, and find the video that you want to embed. For example, in this case, gonna be this SpaceX video right here, okay? And copy the video URL, go to your browser and place it in order to load it just like this. Now, all I have to do is review these three little dots that show more options next to the video creator profile. So click on it, and right here we're going to be able to see a couple of options: report, save to, copy link, embed and cancel. Click on embed. Right here we have two options: include captions or exclude captions. Imagine that you just want to embed the video, so unselect this option. Now click on copy embed code. Now go to your WordPress, go to the dashboard of your WordPress website, review the left sidebar of menus and find the place where you would like to embed this video. Imagine that you would like to embed this video into one of your posts. So I'm gonna go for the posts, select one of my posts, find the place into the content where I would like to embed the video, type some enter and click into this plus button. Right here I'm gonna search for a widget called custom HTML. You can type your URL right here, custom HTML. Now all I have to do is paste the code. After this, update the post and let's preview. And here is my video embedded from Instagram with some meta information like the likes count, option to comment and link to Instagram, and of course the video itself. Now imagine that you would like to embed the captions. Select this part, include captions, copy embed code, go right here, copy and paste again, okay, so just paste again. Just like this, update the post. Let's review the results we got. And as you can see now, we have the captions of the post and the comments counter now. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Our Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a platform where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Our Sites.gallery, that is our CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your page, your landing page, your game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins and many more features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!